So first of all, I would like to say to this great institute and to our dear sir and to all dear leaders that thank you so much. Thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity to be here in this great grand SPP. We all were waiting for this great grand SPP, and finally we all here. We all are we all are celebrating this such a wonderful class. So I'm so much happy and I'm very excited. And thank you so much, Saji, for giving me this golden opportunity, because first time I'm here, I'm speaking in this great grand SPP in front of you all. So I'm very happy. So in this beautiful SPP class, also I would like to share about my some experiences and before joining this institute, how was I, and now how am I. So firstly, just I want to say about my confidence level. Do you know, friends, before joining this institute, I didn't have any confidence. Even I didn't know that what is confidence level. It means I was so stupid girl. I was not knowing anything. But this institute increased my confidence level and taught me value of confidence. That confidence is the most important thing to be a success, to be a do something special in your life. And I came to know about confidence. And now after joining this institute, I feel confident girl, and I give my 100% with confidently now. As like this, I'm here in front of you all, I'm speaking. Before I was not, even I was fearing to come on the stage because of lack of confidence. But when I kept on trying, when I kept on speaking on the stage, so through this system and through this platform, I came to know, and I have become just like this. And it's true, guys, that our institute builds confidence, builds a leader, and I'm one of them, because I'm also leader in this great institute. Do you know, friends, before I was thinking that I will not do anything, I can't do anything. But you know what, friends, these 5 positive and powerful words changed my life. I'm the best, I can do it, God is always with me, I'm winner, today is my day. Whenever I speak these 5 golden lines, I feel energetic, I feel confident. Yes, I can do it, I'm winner today, God is always with me. And you know what, friends, the most important thing, platform, that we all are so fortunate, friends, that we all have such a beautiful platform to improve ourselves, to develop our personality. You know what, friends, I had joined this institute only for learning spoken English, just like you all. But after joining this institute, I have gotten a lot of things which I had never thought. And literally, friends, as much as I thought I just achieve, just then it means as much as I can say, I have gotten a lot of things from this institute. So I'm so much grateful and thankful to this institute, and I'm always be thankful to this institute, because this institute has made me a leader, not only in this institute but also in my own life. Because, friends, before, as I told to you all, that I was not doing, because of lack of confidence, I was not performing anywhere. Even because of lack of confidence, I was so cycle, and I didn't talk and more people, because I was so cycle. And who cried on the smallest thing. I used to cry on the smallest thing. Do you know, friends, when I joined this institute, when my course was running, so I used to cry on the smallest thing. I was so cycle. But you know what, I was so happy that I could join this institute. And I would like to say in a Hindi language. May I ask, sir? May I say, sir? Okay, sir. You know what, friends, मुझे इस काबिल बनाया इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने कि मैं यहाँ पर इंग्लिश में अपने बातों को रख सकती हूँ, इस स्टेज में आकर परफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ. मुझे इस काबिल बनाया इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने कि मैं जहाँ भी जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है उसमें मैं अपना बेस्ट दे सकूँ. मुझे एक आत्मविश्वासी लड़की बनाया, जो मैं पहले नहीं थी. आई वॉज सो साइगल. एंड यू नो वॉट, फ्रेंड्स, आई यूज्ड टू क्राई ऑन स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग. मैं छोटे छोटे चीज़ों पर रो देती थी, ऐसी थी मैं. लेकिन मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने मुझे एक साहसी गर्ल बनाया कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ अपने लाइफ में, ऐसा बनाया. सच में, आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, माई लाइफ इट हैज टोटली चेंज्ड. आई एम सो मच हैप्पी, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स टू Asulika, because of here I'm speaking in front of you all. Through Asulika I joined because she suggested to me that join, you must join this institute, you can do all the things. So I joined. और मैं केवल spoken English सीखने के लिए join की थी because I was weak in English subject. Thank you everyone for supporting me. और सच बात है ये कि because of her I'm here, and मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर हमें केवल इंग्लिश नहीं बल्कि बहुत कुछ सिखाता है. We are taught about communication skill, we are taught about how to fulfill, and we are taught how to live a life, and I have learned from here how to live a life with positivity, with confidence. So I'm so much happy at here, and I will not take your more much time because also some members they have to speak here. And at the last I would also say, as Asulika told, that successful आदमी बनने के लिए हमें प्लेटफॉर्म, एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और हार्ड वर्क की ज़रूरत होती है. हमेशा हम दोनों डिस्कस करते हैं कि ये ट्रू है, और हम लोग बहुत लकी हैं. वी आर सो fortunate that we have such a great platform through this proper guidance by our RK sir, and we are all also doing hard work, so it's very good thing. And so now it's enough, and thank you so much everyone for listening to me.